making these cute little bath bombs that my mom got me. I'm so excited to finally get to make it. And now we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Started. We're going to put 2 teaspoons and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. There we go. Now we're done. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of citric acid. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Epsom salt. So now I'm going to pick a color, and I'm going to use pink because it's my favorite color. And that's what I'm going to use. We're going to mix it very well, and then we're going to put our coconut oil and then our essential oil. Okay, now we're going to put our coconut oil. Now we have to mix it in very well. We're going to put a quarter of a teaspoon of essential oil. Now let's get dirty, and I'm going to use my hands to mix it in very well. We're going to add water slowly by half a teaspoon just to get it right. We want to make sure it stays well together. Okay, I think it's ready. So I'm ready to fill up our mold. I'm going to do a heart because I think it's beautiful. Both of them are ready, so now we're going to stick them together. That didn't work. It's starting to bubble, and I didn't even take it out the mold. We followed the instructions. I don't get what happened. We're going to try this one more time, but instead of adding water, we're going to add extra coconut oil. So we pre-mixed this, and we're going to try again. So we're going to, this time I'm going to use, flip. There we go. So now we're going to mix this in, and we're not going to add any water. We're just going to add extra oil. There, done. We're going to put essential oil. Coconut oil. And now we're going to mix it. the circle one because my heart one is all dirty. So, and we did not use water this time. We just used extra coconut oil. The water must have activated it too soon. Look at my blue hands. We gotta hold it for a couple minutes. Oh well, that's fail. I can't get it out of the mold. I think I'm gonna stick with store-bought bath bombs. They're the ones that are already ready. This kit from the dollar store did not work for me. I'm still gonna try using this because I'm gonna try putting the whole mold into the tub and see what happens. Would you like to see? Let's go try it out. Whoa! Well, it did bubble, and hope you had fun, and see you until our next video. And please, always, like always, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.